Everyone, it's Reed here, and I got a quick little video I want to do, go over some garden stuff. So this wheelbarrow, this is how much water we've gotten in 3 days. I dumped it earlier, and so you can see, here's how much just kind of naturally collected. When we get a good monsoon, yeah, we get water. We get nice amounts of water. Let me go show you some things. Here is how the sweet potatoes are looking. Coming along. I still have a lot more to clear out and get stuff moved and weeded and stuff. And I got a lot more beds to finish, so I'll be super ready next year. We're making progress. Progress is good. Over here is the circle garden, and you can see my turnips and soybeans are growing well. Over here we have beets and soybean. They're getting moving. The green beans are moving pretty well. And this mess of tomatillos, eggplant, and tomato plants, and then some pepper plants and soybeans, they're doing okay. Some of the beans I planted didn't come up. Debating should I add or not if they'll make it to the season. I don't know. We got so late here, but this garden usually performs phenomenally well. So, it's a debate there. But that's how this is doing. Things get moving pretty quick. I got more roots to plant in another spot, but they want the much cooler weather, so this is about the right time. Let's go to the other section. Here's the sunflowers, you can see, and here's the corn with them. It's getting there. Now the bigger corn, over there. Yeah, we've already got the pieces forming for silks and all that. We're gonna get this in before frost, no problem. Be great. So even though sometimes it's like, Reed, how the heck are you gonna get this in? You planted so late. And we're making it. Next year we'll be able to get stuff started real quick because we have the beds made. Now over here, here's all this other corn. It's about 8 or 9 feet tall at the tips. It's up there. And I got lots and lots of cobs. So I'm happy about the blue corn, what it's producing. So we're looking good. I've been chelating, like I mentioned in the last video, the okra, and we're seeing some recoveries. I am happy to see that on the recovery. And so over here too, we've also chelated a bunch, and we are getting nice greening. And these ones down here especially are greening up well. So I like that. So success is coming and such. Yeah, I mean, it's not nearly as good as the other garden's going to make on its okra, but, not bad. And you see our peppers are growing there, which looks great, and so on. So, quick little garden update. So, now you know what's going on. Back to other important things. Read out.